What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we cover how to install and configure Git and GitHub on Ubuntu at Linux. All the commands from this tutorial are listed in the description below, so you can just copy and paste them. First things first, so let's make sure our package list is up to date and then install Git. This is the foundation for everything else we'll be doing today. Now that Git is installed, let's verify everything went smoothly by checking the version. You should see a version number printed out, which confirms Git is ready to go. This is always a good sanity check after installing any package. Before you can start making commits, Git needs to know who you are. We'll set your name and email globally, so every repository on this machine uses the same identity. Make sure the email you use here matches the one on your GitHub account. That's how GitHub links your commits to your profile. There are a couple more settings I always recommend configuring right away. We'll set the default branch name to main, which is what GitHub uses by default now. We'll also set the default editor and enable colorized output so everything looks clean in your terminal. Now let's set up SSH authentication so you can push and pull from GitHub without typing your password every single time. We'll generate an ED25519 SSH key pair, which is the recommended algorithm these days. When it asks for a passphrase, you can leave it empty for convenience or add one for extra security. Here's the important part. We need to grab the public key so we can add it to our GitHub account. Run this cat command and copy the entire output. Then head over to GitHub, go to Settings, then SSH and GPG keys, click New SSH Key, give it a title, and paste the key in. That's all there is to it. Let's put everything together and create our first repository. We'll make a project directory, initialize it as a Git repo, create a README file, and make our first commit. This is the basic workflow you'll use every time you start a new project. The last piece of the puzzle is linking your local repo to GitHub. You'd create a new repository on GitHub's website, then use git remote add to connect it. From there, git push sends your code up to GitHub for the world to see. And that's it. You've got Git and GitHub fully configured on Ubuntu. Go build something awesome.